isa yun sa mga sasabihin ko kanina talagang nawala lang sa isip ko. Buti na lang namin si Dr. Arboleda. I think it's a good reminder to us that ito yung sinasabi natin that we put everything we do in the right context. While I said in the beginning that the context should be yung overall, yung overall mandate and vision of the university. I think it must also be emphasized that lahat ng ginagawa natin, lalo na for research ng RDE, should be within the context of instruction. Kasi yun naman ang sinasabi natin lagi, di ba? That's why pinupukpuk natin ang sarili natin for publication. Because we want everybody to do research, because that's the only way that we get an infusion of new materials, new information that we can use for teaching. So I think kinakailangan klaro yun, ano? It should not only be an implied connection, but at the same time it should be an active connection by way of involving yung mga students natin in many of the things many of the projects that we will do. I think that is very important and non-negotiable. So thank you very much.